Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Sofiani, student S2 by Universitas Negeri Jakarta. I will presentasi my proposal. Before, thank you for my supervisor, Mr. Professor Dr. Ari Saptono, SE MPD, Mr. Dr. Suparno, SPD MPD. Okay, Will. My proposal entitled The Influence of Academic Environment on Students, Accounting Expertise Competency with Financial Literacy and Self-Efficacy as a Mediating Variable at State Vocational High School DKI Jakarta. Research background, vocational school play an important role in preparing students with practical skill. The accounting and finance department of the institution is in high demand due to industrial needs. Accounting expertise competence, the curriculum covers theory, technical, and practical aspects, including the use of financial software, focus on financial skill for job readiness. Financial literacy is important to help students manage personal finance and prepare them for financial challenge in professional life. A supportive academic environment, including the role of family, teachers, and self-efficacy, influence students' motivation and achievement in mastering skill. Problem formulation. Does the academic environment have a positive and significant financial literacy of Jakarta vocational high school students? Does the academic environment have a positive and significant influence efficacy of Jakarta vocational high school students? Does financial literacy have a positive and significant effect on the efficacy of Jakarta vocational high school students? Does the academic environment have a positive and significant influence on the accounting expertise competency of Jakarta vocational school students? Does financial literacy have a positive and significant influence on the accounting skill competency of Jakarta vocational school students? Does self-efficacy have a positive and significant effect on the accounting expertise competency of Jakarta vocational school students? Does self-efficacy mediasi the influence of academic environment on accounting expertise competency of Jakarta vocational high school students? Does self-efficacy mediate the effect of financial literacy on accounting skill competency of Jakarta vocational high school students? Does financial literacy mediate the influence of academic environment on accounting expertise competency of Jakarta vocational high school students? Research purpose, analyzing the influence of academic and environment of financial literacy of Jakarta vocational high school students. Analyzing the influence of academic environment on self-efficacy of Jakarta vocational high school students. Analyzing the relationship between financial literacy and self-efficacy of Jakarta vocational high school students. Analyzing the influence of academic environment on accounting expertise competency of Jakarta vocational school students. Analyzing the influence of financial literacy on accounting expertise competency of Jakarta vocational school students. Analyzing the influence of self-efficacy and accounting expertise competency of Jakarta Vocational High School student. Analyzing the role of self-efficacy as a mediator in the relationship between academic environment and accounting expertise competency of Jakarta Vocational High School students. Analyzing the mediating role of self-efficacy in the relationship between financial literacy and accounting expert competency of Jakarta Vocational High School student. Analyzing the mediating role of financial literacy in the relationship between academic environment and accounting expertise competency of Jakarta Vocational High School student. The next. Benefit of research. Theoretical benefit. This study enriches the vocational education literature by increasing understanding of the influence of financial literacy and academic environment on the accounting expertise competency of SMK student, as well as the role of self-efficacy as a mediating variable. Practical benefit for teacher to be a guide in designing effective learning strategies, especially to improve students' financial literacy and create a supportive learning environment. For vocational high school students, motivate students to improve self-efficacy and seek a positive academic environment that contributes to their competency. For policy maker, provide insight into designing student development programs, particularly in the psychological aspect that support achievement in vocational school. For school, provide a basis for school to develop policies and programs that support a conducive learning environment and provide facilities that support the learning process. Theoretical study, accounting expert competency. Accounting expert competency is a set of technical and non-technical skill and abilities that an accountant must have to carry out professional tasks effectively, and efficiently. Financial literacy is an individual ability to understand, manage, and apply financial knowledge and skill in making appropriate decisions regarding personal finance. Academic environment. The academic environment is a combination of physical and psychological support provided by the educational community to ensure optimal student development. Self-efficacy. Self-efficacy is an individual belief in their ability to complete tasks and face challenges, which include the ability to plan, motive themselves, and overcome obstacles. Theoretical framework, lingkungan akademik X1, literasi keuangan X2, self-efficacy X3, kompetisi keahlian akuntansi Y. Research hypothesis. H1, academic environment has a positive and significant influence of financial literacy. H2, academic environment has a positive and significant influence on the self-efficacy at Jakarta Vocational School students. H3, financial literacy has a positive and significant influence on the self-efficacy of Jakarta Vocational School students. H4, the academic environment has a positive and significant influence on the accounting expert competency of Jakarta Vocational School student. H5, financial literacy has a positive and significant influence on the accounting skill competency of Jakarta Vocational School student. Six, self-efficacy has a positive and significant influence on the accounting expertise competency of Jakarta Vocational School student. Seven, self-efficacy mediates the influence of the academic environment on the accounting expertise competency of Jakarta Vocational School student. H. Self-efficacy mediates the influence of financial literacy on accounting expertise competency of Jakarta Vocational School student. H9. Financial literacy mediasi the influence of academic environment on accounting expertise competency of Jakarta Vocational High School student. Research methodology, unit of analysis and scope of research. Research focus the examine the influence of financial literacy and academic environment and accounting expertise competence with self-efficacy as a mediating variable. Location, State Vocational School 21, Jakarta, and State Vocational School 14 to Jakarta. Research duration 3 months, September, November 2024. Population and sample. Population active student majoring in accounting at SMKN 21 and SMKN 14 to Jakarta. Total 218 students. Sample 116 students with a margin of error at 5% using Taro-Yamani formula. Sampling technique, purpose sampling, focusing on students with appropriate educational background. Research methodology, research design, approach, quantitative, instrumental, Likert scar-based questionnaire, Scala 1, and 1 in 5. Data analysis using SAM with Smart PLS application to model and test mediation. Operationalizing of variables data collection. Questionnaire via Google Form distributed via official school communication channels. Statistic analysis after the filling period, the data was analyzed to understand the relationship between variables. Method analysis data, same PLS, with same PLS Patriot list squad, it does not record the assumption of normal distribution and can be used with small samples. Used to test the relationship between latent variable with the same smart PLS for 410 analysis tool. Thank you, my presentasi. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.